Hi guys, this is a short video about how to use a mop. So we have a fairly dirty floor that has already been prepared, in the sense that residue has been removed, it has been vacuumed and all. And to use the mop, we'll have a single-use mop and a mop system from Vicon, yeah, and very simple to use. We'll extend it, drop it on the mop, okay, and some say it's an easy task, but many of us get it wrong, in the sense that they will use the mop like that, wrong. Never move side to side. Always use the leading edge, the edge. That will always have to be in front. As in, I'm using only one hand right now because with the other one I'm filming. Move the mop and always lead with the edge. Like that. When you turn in, turn the mop to its leading edge and follow up the contour. Right, that was my first video, and I hope there's little something to learn out of it for everyone. It took me time to learn this on my own. Then I've corroborated with other guys working in cleaning. Seems to be the right way to do things. Thank you. Bye.